All right, so now we have question 3, which is students in a representative sample of 86 second-year students selected from a large university in the United States participated in a study of academic procrastination. Each student in the sample completed the Beckman Procrastination Scale, which measures procrastination tendencies. Scores on the scale can range from 30 to 90, with scores over 65 indicating higher levels of procrastination. For the 86 second-year students in the study at the university, the sample mean procrastination score was 63.0, and the sample standard deviation was 6.8. Your goal is to estimate the mean procrastination score of the students at the university. All right, so the first part is A. Is this sample large? How do you tell? We'll say yes, this sample is large, and we can tell because our sample size, which is 86, is greater than or equal to 30. All right, next is answer the QSTN questions. All right, so our first QSTN question is, what is the question type? Is it an estimation or is it a hypothesis? For this, it states that our goal is to estimate the mean procrastination, so we're going to say that it's an estimation. Our next question is this, or what is the study type? Is it sample data or experimental data? Well, this is sample data because we got it from a survey. Next part is type of data. Is it categorical or is it numerical? As we can see, we're dealing with numbers, so it's numerical. Numbers that are prescribed on a scale, so it is numerical. And as we can see, there's only one variable in here. So we're going to say we have one numerical variable. And then finally, the number of treatments. We only have one treatment in this because the survey was only conducted one time. All right, and then C is calculate a 90% confidence interval. So the formula for confidence interval, it'll be our average value from our sample plus or minus the z-score for 90% confidence, which is 1.645, times our standard deviation divided by the square root, or our deviation for x divided by the square root of our sample size. So we're going to say mu of x, so 63 plus or minus 1.645 times 6.8 divided by the square root of 86. All right, and let's go ahead and calculate that. 0.645 times 6.8 divided by the square root of 86. So we have 63 plus or minus 1.21. So our interval is going to be 61.79. Well, our interval is going to be 61.79 to 64.21. All right.